Assalamu alaikum, myself Azad from Francique. How are you guys doing today? Well guys, today I'll be unboxing Francique or Francique 63.55, some kind of a radio station FM frequency. Well, this is Fragrance World article and a dupe or a clone of BDK Gris Chanel. So let's unbox it, and the entire review video will be on my channel. So subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon button so you will get the latest notification. I bought it from Mr. Junaid from Karachi, and when I'll provide the entire review video, I'll be putting his number in the link. And there you go. My box is damaged a little bit, but somehow I managed to save the bottle. This is Gris Chanel by BDK clone.